Good afternoon, everybody. Got my Atomstack X7 Pro burning a white painted tile using the Norton method. It's running at about 75%, and I'm actually burning an image, a picture. But I will be back once it's done and let y'all see how it turns out. Using light burn on an HP thin client, running Windows 11. And actually this is sitting on top of my Millwright Mega V 35x35 CNC. But if you have any questions, just post it below. Please like and subscribe, and I will give an update. And the burn is about to finish up. And I'll take it off here and clean off the white paint with some acetone. So the image gets burnt into the paint and it causes permanent marks on the tile, and then all the white will actually come off. This is about 2 to 3 coats of white paint on Home Depot tile. I got a broken box. It was only about halfway full, and they discounted them down to 4 or 5 cents each. But I will be back once I get this cleaned up. I just printed some brackets to be able to put those here on my spoil board on my Millwright Mega V CNC table, so I can set this on top of my work pieces and put my logo on the back of them. I've added the air assist to this. Makes a large difference, and I'm using one of the quiet Husky air compressors. Turn it down to about 5 psi. I've got it plumbed through. I'm using an airbrush adapter right onto the hose that he includes with the kit. But I will be back. And we're back with the clean tile. Just use some acetone to strip off the paint. And the black is actually etched onto it. And the glaze is still on the tile, but it etches in where the laser hits the paint. But if you have any questions, just post them below. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.